Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to know the detailed comparison between India and China, the military power comparison. India and China both are considered as the largest superpower of Asian continent, but the boundary dispute between the two countries is always alive. We are comparing the defense capabilities of these two countries in this video. First one is defense budget. India has $70 billion and China has $177.61 billion. And second one is total population. India has 1.36 billion and China has 1.43 billion. Third one is total manpower. India has 61.6 million and China has 75 million. Fourth one is people fit for the job. India has 49 million and China has 62 million. Fifth one is the manpower ready for the military every year. India has 23 million and China has 19 million. Sixth one is total active army. India has 13.25 lakhs. China has 23.35 lakhs. Seventh one is number of total atomic bombs. India has 120 to 130. China has 270 to 300. Aircrafts, all types of 8 number. India has 2663 and China has 3749. Ninth one is helicopter. India has 646 helicopter and China has 802 helicopters. 10th one is attack helicopter. India has 19 attack helicopter. China has 200 attack helicopter. 11th one is airports, that is serviceable. India has 346 airports. China has 507 airports. 12th one is total tanks. India has 6464 and China has 9150 tanks. 13th one is major ports or terminals. India has 7 major ports and China has 15 major ports. 14th is merchant marine strength. India has 340 merchant marine strength and China has 2030 merchant marine strength. 15th is mine warfare craft. India has 6 mine warfare craft and China has 4 mine warfare crafts. 17th is submarines. India has 14 submarines and China has 68 submarines. 18th fleet strength. India has 295 fleet strength and China has 714 fleet strength. 19 is aircraft carriers. India has 2 and China has only 1, that is INS Vikramaditya. 20th is frigates. India has 14 frigates while China has 48 frigates. 21 is destroyer ships. India has 10 destroyer ships and China has 32 destroyer ships. 22 is patrol craft. India has 135 patrol craft while China has 138 patrol craft. 23 is ballistic missiles. India has 5000 ballistic missiles and China has 13,000 ballistic missiles. 24th is petroleum production per day. India has capability, that is to 7.67 lakh barrel. Last one is petroleum consumption per day. India has 35.10 lakh barrel and China has 1.01 crore barrel capacity. After knowing this above data, it can be said that the summary that India is far behind China is almost all defense equipments, you can say, in aspects. China has made a lot of money because of the progress of its manufacturing sector and has spent a large portion of this money in refining its military power. So here If India has to establish a balance of power in South Asia, it will first have to reduce its dependence on imported defense equipment by having more and more made in India defense products.